I don't try to speak anything about my film because I think my film will speak to you. Because it's a true story. Mr. Najib is now living in Kerala, in a coastal area. He is working as a fisherman in Kerala. He tried to do our maximum potential in this film. Only in 28 you can judge and criticize and you can support the films. That's all. Thank you. And once again, thank you, Ambala team, for this great opportunity. Also, thank you.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಈಗ ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 292, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯ.